Hi, I'm Darius Sexton. Today we're going to look at user data that we have collected from the Fotohouze website in hopes of maybe increasing business and sales for Fotohouze. Topics of discussion would be understanding Fotohouse's business and services, the analysis of the user visitation data, what was discovered in that analysis, and recommendations for increasing visitation in hopes of increasing business. Just a brief recap of Fotohouze Business and Services offers a wide variety of in-store photo and print services ranging from 35mm film processing, digital photo restoration, video transfers. Also offer online services such as online digital prints and an interactive photo app for customers to make their own digital prints. So far, we've noticed two types of customers. We have walk-ins, who are usually the older customers, the Generation X and baby boomers, not really computer savvy and have specific projects in mind: photo restoration, video transfers, 35mm film development. These users cannot be easily tracked through statistical data. Then we have onliners, who are millennials mostly, live on their mobile devices, hang out on social media platforms. Entire photo collection could exist on their devices, so they would take advantage of the online services more. With this data, what we hope to achieve is increase Fotohouse's brand presence to extend the walk-ins, increase interaction for online visitors, and increase overall visitor traffic. Data analyzed how often and how long users are visiting and where they're visiting from. Using Google Analytics, we decided to compare data from user visitation between the months of February and the month of April. In February, started out, we had returning users with 22.22% of hits. New users had 77.78 hits. Further analysis of this data would show that only 4 hits came from returning users and 14 hits came from new users. Plus, you had users, 4 hits from the returning users all came from Europe, it seems, and some of the new hits came from the Americas. However, looking at April, new users saw an increase, returning users saw a decrease in their hits. More specifically, new users had a total of 933 total hits, while returning users only had a total hit count of 563. But that's still a significant jump in the amount of hits between February and April. Looking at it via country, as you can see, not a whole lot of penetration. Everything, in some instances, hits are pretty even out. But if you look at users by country in April, a lot more segmentation. A lot of users were hitting from other countries such as Beijing, Montreal, a large concentration of users from the United States. So what was discovered? Well, user interaction increased over a period of 3 months. Several factors possibly contributed to this increase: increased presence on Facebook and YouTube, word of mouth, referrals, continued business from current and previous customers, and sales and promos. So what are some of the suggestions for future customer satisfaction and user visitation? Emphasis to marketing of the importance of newsletter promos. Because of the amount of mobile device use, work with development to facilitate better responsive web apps. The interactive web application that already exists is pretty good. It could be better. Take advantage of email lists to send out newsletters, flyers, and information on sales and contests. We have an enormous email database of previous and current customers. We need to take advantage of that. Increase the presence of Fotohouze on social media. Again, we already have a presence on Facebook and YouTube. Need to extend to Instagram, Snapchat, and any other social media outlet. Encourage walk-in customers to visit the website to check for coupons, special promos, and sales. That concludes our meeting. Thanks for watching, and thanks for contributing to the company's continued success.